Hello, FHS chemistry students. I have a little Friday video for you. And this video is a demo I sometimes do and have you guess the answer. But today, I'm going to tell you how this demonstration works. And then if you would like to, you can do this same demo at home. And if you record yourself making this video, the same video, doing the demonstration and teaching it to somebody, a sibling, a parent, you can get extra credit. Okay, so it's not going to be a ton of extra credit, but if that sounds fun, you can do this. If you want a little extra credit, you can do this too. To do this demonstration, you'll need some household things. You'll need some vinegar, and you will need some baking soda. You don't need a lot of it. And you'll need some kind of container, okay, and a candle. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to light a candle, and there we have it. We have the candle lit, and watch what I'm going to do here. I'm going to put some baking soda into this container here. Okay, so I'll just do 2 scoops. That was a pretty small scoop, so I'll do a third. Oh, that's a big scoop. We'll do 3 scoops. You're going to have to figure out, probably have to try it multiple times before you can figure out how much baking soda and vinegar do you need for your container. Okay. And then I'm going to throw in a splash of vinegar. And you might notice a bunch of bubbles forming in a classic experiment. And now watch this. Watch the candle carefully. Look at that. I was able to put out the candle by just tilting this here. Maybe I'll try the match and the candle. Let's try it again. Now, that is not me doing something tricky. That is not me trying to blow out the candle secretly with some small breaths. But what's actually happening is when you mix baking soda and vinegar, a chemical reaction occurs, and one of the gases you make is carbon dioxide. Now, for anything to set on fire, you need a very important element, a gas in the air called oxygen. Now, if you have an area where there's a fire and there's no oxygen, then the fire won't continue. It will go out. So when we make this vinegar and baking soda, we make carbon dioxide. Now, carbon dioxide is more dense than the air in the room. And so as I make it, it kind of lingers. Even though it's an invisible, colorless gas, it lingers in the bowl. And then I tilt it, the gas can start to flow out and smothers the area with carbon dioxide. Some fire extinguishers work this way. You've seen the movie WALL-E, where they keep using the fire extinguisher to fly through space with this white powder. Most fire extinguishers don't work that way anymore, but those are filled with carbon dioxide. And when you turn on the fire extinguisher, you smother the area in the flame with carbon dioxide. If there's carbon dioxide, there's not enough oxygen. All right, so there's the explanation that we're making carbon dioxide. It's more dense. If you can perform this and videotape yourself and then explaining to somebody how this is happening, share the video with me somehow. I don't know how you're going to do that, if you're going to put it in Google Drive and share it with me or email it to me, but come up with some way to do this. I won't go putting it on the internet. I won't make your video a YouTube video unless I have your permission. And the last thing about this is if you can get a little bit more creative, if you can put out multiple candles, you can find a fun way to teach the same thing, I'll give you some bonus points for that. Okay. I hope someone does it. Please